Hello and welcome to the second episode of Draw.Draft.Design. Last episode, we fixed the wobbly line problem. Today, we are fixing a different one. The one where you draw a perfect rectangle, try to move it, and only one side comes with you. Watch, I select what I think is a whole rectangle, hit move, and only one line goes with it. That's not a bug. AutoCAD drew 4 separate lines, not one shape, and it's treating them exactly that way. Fix the selection, window all 4 this time, and yes, it moves together, but you had to select 4 every single time forever. There's a better way, and it means this problem never happens again. Here's the quick fix for lines you've already drawn. Select all 4, type J, hit enter, that's the join command. And there it is. AutoCAD tells you exactly what happened. 4 objects converted to one polyline. Head to Home tab and select Polyline, or just type PL, hit enter, draw your shape exactly like you would with line command. And it is already connected. One single shape. Here's why Polyline earns its spot in your toolkit. Remember, we started this whole shape by taking PL, hitting enter, and we have drawn our straight segment so far. Now, without leaving command, type A, hit enter to switch into arc mode. And there it is, a smooth arc attached directly to the straight line. We already drew all as one shape. Want to go back to straight line after? Type L, hit enter, and you are back. Try this with the plain line command and it simply won't happen. Mixing lines and arcs in one continuous object only works inside Polyline. And when you already know your exact measurements, Polyline handles that too. Start your Polyline, draw the first side, and instead of clicking an endpoint, just type the length, take it as 1500, enter, next side, type 1800, enter, then switch into arc mode the same way as before. Type A and build your arc and match. Exact shape, exact sides, no eyeballing, no adjusting after the fact. Now let's talk about circle. Because most people only ever learn one way to draw one, and there are actually 6. Center radius, center diameter, 2 point, 3 point, tangent, tangent radius, and tangent, tangent, tangent. Each one exists because different projects hand you different information. We'll cover it. So first up is center radius, the one you will use constantly. Click your center point, then type the radius. Let's set it to 3000. And there it is, clean exact circle built from the middle out. Second option is same circle command, circle diameter, but this time you have to enter diameter as 3000 instead of radius. Same command, different information, same result. Handy when your drawing specs give you a diameter instead of a radius. Last one for today is 2-point circle. Click your first point, click your second point, and AutoCAD builds a circle using these 2 points as the diameter's endpoints. Use this when 2 points are genuinely all the information you have. One more type, 3-point. This time, click 3 separate points and AutoCAD draws the one circle that passes through all 3. No center, no radius, no diameter, just 3 points on the edge. That's Polyline and 4 circle commands sorted. Center radius, center diameter for you when you have measurements. 2-point and 3-point for you when you're working off existing points instead. Tangent, tangent radius and tangent, tangent, tangent are still out there, but those make a lot more sense the day you actually need to fit a circle snugly between 2 other objects. So we'll cover them properly when that comes up. Drop your questions below. I read everyone. I am Simran. This is Draw.Draft.Design. See you in the next one.